In this video, we're going to talk about getting a process app from the SBM Application Engine. You can get a process app that is running on the SBM Application Engine server and check it into the repository, making it available to Application Repository and SBM Composer. If there is already a copy of the process app in the repository, getting a copy from the server creates a new version. To get a process app from the SBM Application Engine server, on the Environments tab, select the environment from where the process app is running. We see here on the left-hand side, this is the Environments tab. Up here at the top, this is the list of environments of where the process app is running. In my case, I know the process app is running on the default environment. If it were running on environment 2, I would click on it, but in this case I will choose the default. Next, we select the Deployments sub-tab. It is located right here. Then, we find the process app that you want to get from the SBM Application Engine server, and then click the Get icon. I'm going to scroll down here through my list of process apps. I'm going to choose the Test process app, and over here on the far right is the Get icon. When I click on it, we find the Get from Runtime dialog box. Enter a label if necessary. Here is where you would enter a label. If you do not choose to enter a label, an auto-generated label will be created for you. Select the Create a Snapshot checkbox to create a process app snapshot as part of the operation. Here is that checkbox, and we select it. Next, we select the Exclude Auxiliary Table Data checkbox if that appears and you do not want the snapshot to include auxiliary table data. This can save a considerable amount of time if auxiliary tables are large. In my case, I will exclude auxiliary table data. Next, I will choose the Get function, and as you can see, it is starting the Get function. I am going to click the View Activity dialog box, and here down below is the activity summary. We can watch it go through its processes. As you can see, my process app was rather small and it completed rather quickly in just 3 seconds. If your process app is considerably larger, then it will take longer. Also, if you do choose to export auxiliary table data, this will also add to the time. The process app is retrieved from the SBM Application Engine server, checked into the repository, and appears in the list of process apps on the Process Apps tab. We go over here to the Process Apps tab. We scroll down through the list of process apps. We see it is not on the first page. I will click to the second page, and as we scroll down, we can now see the test process app right here. And it was performed at 8:03 a.m. this morning. This concludes this video of the Get a process app from the SBM Application Engine. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you.